Hello, Logan Early Education Center. Hello, Lions. It's me, Mr. Bell. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make some slime. I'll show you a demonstration and ingredients I use, okay? Okay, get ready. Check this out. So here we go. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use today. This is Elmer's glue, just regular white glue. The glue also comes in other variations. This is a white glue. It also comes in clear, sometimes glow in the dark. So it depends on what type of glue you want to use to make your project with. The next thing I have is food coloring. Today we chose green. So this is green food color, and this is what is going to make the color of the slime. And this is liquid starch. It's used as an activator to make the slime not stick so much to your hands. It kind of makes, that's one of the main ingredients besides the glue, what helps to activate the slime. And I have a little bit of water here. And of course, you're going to need something to mix the slime in. I have a bowl right here, and also I have a spatula. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the glue, open it up, because I'm going to use a whole lot of it. And I'm going to can you see what I'm doing? Mm-hmm. Putting it in, I'm pouring the glue into the bowl. Okay, so I put the glue is all poured in the bowl. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of water, just to, kind of expand it just a little, the glue that is. Okay, and then the next step I'm going to use is some food coloring, which is this right here. So I'm going to take a couple of drops of food coloring, drop it in there so I can make it green. Now the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to take my spatula and just kind of mix all the color and the water and the food coloring in together. All right. And then I'm going to, do you think I need more food coloring? Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. Make it a little deeper green. So you can choose how much food coloring you want to make in your mixture to, get the right amount of color in your slime. Okay, so I think we're ready to add the activator, which is the liquid starch. We're going to put this in here. Add a little bit in here. We're going to mix it up and watch what happens. You want to try to mix it? This is my daughter here. She's going to try to mix it up. And it's turning into like a thicker consistency, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Oh boy. Let me see what happens now. Okay, so I'm going to just add a little drop more, so it's not as sticky. Oh, look at that. All right. And you have to stir it off the corners, off the sides of the bowl so it all gets in together. You want to try to see if you can work with it now? What about your hands? You ready?
Yes.
Okay, squish it together and see what happens. And that's the next step. You have to knead with your hands. Take the kind that's off the spatula, pull it off, and put it into the rest of the mix. All right, great job. So when you add to activate it, now mix with your hands. There you go. And what's happened? Does it feel like slime now?
I need to feel a little bit more because my meat gets cylinder.
You need a little bit of more activator?
No, we need to more stir it more and stuff.
Okay, well now what you're doing is kneading. Kneading means that you're squishing together the ingredients in order to make it into its final stage, which is this. For this is slime. When you make Play-Doh and you put all the ingredients together, when you mix them well enough together, the final ingredient you have to knead together in order to make it workable and pliable. And so that's what my daughter's doing here. Do we have slime yet?
Yep.
Oh boy, she did it. We did it together. We made slime. Want to stretch it out a little bit? Oh boy. That's some homemade slime. And so the last step is to, once you make it, then you can play with it on a smooth surface. Don't play with it on on carpet or furniture or anything like that. You want to have a smooth surface, a bowl or a board or something like that. I'll show you what I mean. So you take it out and you put it on the board. This is a little writing board that we use in the house to make the slime, to play with the slime, and it doesn't get on your furniture, on your table. So, yeah, there you go. Stretch that, stretch it, stretch. All right. Looks like the Nickelodeon type of gag. Oh, and it snaps and pops. Wow. Yeah, looks like fun to me. Okay, and so after you finish playing with it, we have several options to store it in. We have our Ziploc bag, or you can use a container to store it in. So we want to, be safe. We want to be clean, and we always want to wash our hands before and after playing with our slime. Okay, well, I hope this has been helpful, and I hope you enjoy trying to making your own version, your own ingredients of slime. Okay, this is just one demonstration. There's many other ways to make slime. So I hope this has been helpful. Well, that's been fun, and I hope to see you soon, all my friends, all my lions at Logan Early Ed Center. Okay, take care and bye for now.